Hey yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope the audio sounds better because I'm using a microphone now. Since I sold the BMW, I am now using my helmet setup and the microphone is on my stringy thing. I hope the audio comes out good because I haven't really tested it yet. So yeah, I hope it comes out good. And I'm gonna stop by the barbershop, get a haircut. And I'm gonna stop by Jacob's place if he's still working on his bike, so we can start including him in the channel and stuff like that. Because I know it's gonna start getting a little bit boring or dry if you just keep seeing me talk to myself. So I'm gonna start including other people. I'm gonna start doing different topics, and hopefully you guys enjoy it. With that being said, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I am going to come out with videos every single week, at least once a week. I usually upload on Fridays. It used to be Fridays and Mondays. But with me saving money and buying a house, I can't do as many videos because I can't buy as much stuff. And as corny as that sounds, you do have to buy stuff to make content. And that's what keeps people interested in stuff like that. Because obviously, with 300 subscribers, you guys don't really care about my life. So I got to entertain you guys with how-tos, instructional videos, and topics that you guys like talking about. And me, I'm a very indoorsy person, so I usually stay at home, play video games, watch anime, and I know that's not interesting to watch on YouTube. So when I move into the new house, I'm going to be making more videos about cars and stuff like that. For now, it's just a little hiatus type of thing where it's like I'm going to take a break from building things and stuff like that. When I do move, the house is going to be I'm gonna break down the house build because I'm building it. Well, I have someone building it for me, but I picked out all the stuff and I can share all that stuff with you guys, so that way you guys can get an idea of what to expect. And it's a pretty cool garage setup. I mean, I only put extra lights and extra outlets so far, but I do have an air compressor. I need to get a new one because the motor went out on it. But yeah, I can go over the house with you guys. I'm gonna sit you guys up here because I'm gonna start driving. This worked last time. I hope it works again. All right. And now it's a little weird because I got a wire going to the microphone because I'm too broke to get a wireless microphone. But this is weird because the wire gets in the way and I have no power steering, so I need to use all my muscles. Oh yeah, check this out. I don't know if you guys can see that. I got the jet tag from TJ Hunt. I also got a hoodie from TJ Hunt because I'm trying to. Well, the hoodie I got because of the Black Friday sales. I've always wanted some of his stuff. I just wanted to test like the quality of it. And the jet tag, that was for the giveaway that he's doing for Christmas. And I thought it'd be really cool if I actually won something. So I just bought something little because I can't really buy anything expensive. The jet tag was like 15 bucks. The hoodie was on sale. I got that for 35, I think. And I also got one of his water bottles, the metal ones, and that's pretty cool because I use that on the daily. It's very helpful. It keeps me hydrated. That was, I think it was 10 bucks with the sale going on. So I got everything for like 45 bucks. One day I'll be coming out with merchandise so that way you guys can get some stuffs. My idea so far is to make like JDM, like VIP type of stuff for like the sedan community. I've already came up with ideas with Sedan Kings. I know I've heard that name before, but I looked it up on Instagram and I couldn't find anything. So I guess I'm not really original, but at the same time, no one really has it established. So I think it's okay. If you guys have a problem with it, let me know in the comments. Also, hit that like button. It really helps out the channel, spreads the videos. The original plan for today was to actually go get a haircut and wash my car, but I don't think I'm gonna wash my car. Nice. Turn signal, guy. I really don't know what I'm going to title this video, but because I'm just talking about random stuff. But the Q45, it was running a little sluggish, and also the gas smelled funny, so I put some fuel injector cleaner, like fuel cleaner, in the gas tank last time I filled up. And so far the car's been idling better. The car's also been accelerating better. Yeah, this car feels a lot better with the fuel injector cleaner. This car does almost have 300,000 miles, so it's kind of expected. I was reading on the can on the fuel injector cleaner that you're supposed to be doing that like every 10,000 miles. I don't know how true that is. That was the first time I've ever used it, and it's definitely shown its qualities. It was the Royal Purple fuel injector cleaner, and it works pretty good. 10 out of 10 would recommend. It was about 17 bucks for the big can, because this car has a big fuel tank. So it said it treats up 15 to 20 gallons, and when I filled up from E, it was 16 and a half gallons that I put in. So it was just enough, and it worked all the magic. So I plan on making a video about importing a car, like the different Y33 chassis, the different models. If you guys want to see that, go ahead and hit the like button. I'm going to be making it anyways, because not only for your guys' help, but for my own help. Because I didn't know the difference between the SEMA, Cedric, and Gloria. I knew there was a difference between the SEMA, but the Gloria and Cedric are the ones that are really hard or get confused a lot. That's why people just combine the names to Cedglow. So I'm gonna make a video about that. The SEMA, I'm really thinking about importing a SEMA next year. I just haven't decided completely yet, because I wanted to do something different, get like a Cedric or a Gloria. But I keep seeing all these SEMAs pop up, and it makes me really want a SEMA. Especially this one that I think it's called Drivers Motorsports or something like that. They just imported it looks black, but it's blue. SEMA two-tone, and it looks awesome. And I think I'm gonna go with that one, because I was actually gonna paint this car dark blue, like that color. I definitely need to get these windows tinted, but I can't wait to move into this house and get an imported car. So I plan on getting all right-hand drive cars once I get my first one. As far as this Q45, I have no idea what's going to happen to it once I import something, because if I import a SEMA, it's pretty much the same thing as this, and it'd be pretty weird to go left to right-hand drive in the same exact car. Then it just gets confusing sometimes. I bet it does get confusing. I think I'm going to get a 97 SEMA, because my first Q45 was a 97, and that's when they first started being imported here. These cars are really built like tanks, honestly. This thing has 300,000 miles. It drives like it has like 100,000. And I haven't really put much work into this car either. Yeah, I've cleaned it up, but other than that, I've put fuel injector cleaner and I changed the oil. That's it. Other than that, I still need to do the spark plugs. I still need to do all the mechanical stuff that's wrong with this car. Mine has the electronic suspension, and it just floats. I haven't really put it on I think the other one's sport mode or whatever. I don't know. I like how it is. It's on auto right now. All right, that's gonna end today's vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed it. It's just a little update. I didn't really know what I was gonna record today, because I don't know, there's not a lot to do. But I gotta upload something. I gotta keep you guys entertained. This is Mumbles. Say hi. Yep, okay. The cat doesn't look this big in the video, but he is 15 pounds. He's a big one. That's Mumbles, by the way. If you guys enjoyed the video, smash the like button down below, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Adios.
And there she goes. Heart that pounds like a stereo. You take me round and round like the merry-go.
Oh, look who it is.
Like you're a random person.
Whoa, hey, witness protection, bro. I can't be filmed.
Oh yeah, I took off the helmet part. So now my helmet stuff is on this. No, I don't have to.
Welcome to my vlog.
Yeah, this is a new star of the channel.
I can't. I would want to touch it, but.
What? It's attached to me right now.
Oh, because your mic's dead.
Yeah. Hold it. Over.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Fuck. 35 seconds. Thank you, Jacob. You saved me. You saved me. Now I don't have to be on video. I just gotta edit that out.
No, I
have
don't,
a part of me
No,
just
he's not
zoomed right into
monetizing
my
what you
face.
did.
yeah, I don't have enough subscribers. Is this the old one? Hi.
Damn, you're gonna look like a bum. This company, terrible. Don't ever work for them. That's
I
a
have-
good stepping stone.
I already recorded something, but I thought it'd be more interesting to record it here.
Yeah.
Especially now that everyone's here.
You got the whole fan base.
Yeah.
Look at